Good morning, everybody. This is Monday morning, and this is Augie's very green lunchbox for the day. He has celery sticks, cucumber sticks, Trader Joe's saltine crackers, green grapes, ham roll-ups, and these are some sour Skittles that he bought with his allowance money. This is all packed in the Yum Box Original, which of course I will link down in the description box. Have a great day. So apparently Augie's at the age where he doesn't like to eat his fruits and veggies because we have, I think, all of the celery, most of the cucumber, and about half the grapes still in this lunch. Wah, wah. Good morning, friends. This is Tuesday morning, and I've got Augie's lunchbox for you. So again, we packed this for a second day in a row in the Yum Box Original, but we have a pretty different lunch today. We have some clementine wedges, last clementine, some turkey meatballs that were in the freezer that I just defrosted and cut up, sugar snap peas, some apple slices, some saltines, fake saltines from Trader Joe's, and then this is an Oreo cookie ball snack that my older son made last night for his school project. Those are pretty yummy. So that's Tuesday's lunch. So Wednesday I forgot to take a video, so I just have a still photo and I will fill you in on what's in there. It is a frozen lunch similar to the one I made a video about. I used some of the same accessories for this because they were still out when I made this lunch. We have turkey roll-ups, some fruit snacks, some popcorn, and some sugar snap peas. Oh, and a Go-Go Blast berry something applesauce pouch. Yummy. And that Anna and Elsa down in the corner, those are icing decorations for cupcakes, if you're curious. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. It's Thursday. And today we're shaking things up a little bit from the Bentos and doing a thermos lunch. This is a Hydro Flask thermos, and inside we have chicken noodle soup, yummy. And then we have a Sidecar Yum Box mini snack, is the name of the lunchbox, with green grapes, saltine crackers that actually fit perfectly in there. It's kind of crazy. And then these are some gummy candies. So, and I remembered the spoon for once. So this is Thursday's lunch. Woohoo! Hey guys, it's Friday, and it looks like I'm actually in the holiday spirit without really realizing it. I did not plan to make a red and green lunch like this, but look what happened. So in today's lunch, we've got, it's packed in the Planet Box shuttle, and I have some saltine crackers, some chunks of cucumber, a bunch of meatballs. This is only 4, but it looks like a whole bunch more. This has a little ketchup in it, and this has a couple of little candies in it. And then we have an applesauce pouch to kind of round things out, and it's a strawberry applesauce. So that, my friends, is Friday's lunch, and I will see you next week. Actually, I won't see you next week. Next week, kids are off school. I forgot. So I will see you in a couple weeks in the Week in Bentos. Thanks so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, maybe you could consider subscribing. Bye. Have a great Thanksgiving.